Hi friends, welcome back to Gamer MW. In this video, I am going to say about the base decorations. Touch on the base. There's an option decorate. Touch on that and you can see different types of base skins there. In the store, first one colorful amazement park. If we buy this, our base should be look like this. Next one Arabic castle, dragon castle, witch castle skin, Chinese palace skin, deadly infection biochemical beast, sweet cake, valentine true love skin, biochemical beast, money cat, ray of science, Christmas cottage decorations, teddy bear, wind castle skin, freedom fortress, April Fool's skin, Christmas tower skin, snowman decorations, amusement park, ice town, floating city, moon brilliance, Pharaoh's museum skin, dragon board skin, teddy bear skin, spring festival skin, Valentine's true love skin, moon brilliance skin, and a lot of skins are here to purchase. We can purchase any one of the skin for our base. Okay, I haven't purchased any skin for my base. I'm using the normal skin for my base. We can see the our skins home view and the world view here for better view. This is my skin I have selected.